It is something that every YouTuber does, and we're doing it too. Welcome to our empty condo tour.
What is up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to show you exactly what our condo looks like at the point where we took it over. I know we got a lot of feedback when we moved to our condo in Makati that people wish they would have seen more of the process of us moving into the place, because back when we moved into our condo in Makati, it was empty and then it was just full and all the furniture was there, and we didn't show any of the process in between. So we listened to you, we want to do it differently, we're going to show you the whole process. And today is literally the last time that we will see our condo in this empty original state before we start modifying and enhancing the place to our likings. So I think this is going to be a very interesting vlog, especially for us to see in the future, looking back at where we started and where we ended up, and also for you guys to follow along on the whole journey. So I'd say without further ado, let's jump into this. And should we start with the kitchen?
Yes, let's start with the kitchen. Let me just go a little bit back.
Yeah, because I kind of feel like the kitchen is the easiest part to talk about, because this kitchen really doesn't need a lot of work. We are so in love with the kitchen, and this is probably the centerpiece of the apartment that made us decide we want to live here, because we just love this so much. And if you don't know, we spend a ton of time in the kitchen. We love to cook, we love to eat, we love to entertain. And yeah, just looking here, a few ideas that we did have is lighting concepts. We want to set some accents with lights. We want to have indirect lighting coming from up there. We want light strips that illuminate the floor and the interiors of the cupboards. And we want to have a very automated lighting system like we have in our condo now. A smart system, yeah. But this time we're gonna exceed it even more. Something I dream of every time when I'm standing here in the kitchen is having friends over, like having George and Lucy over. I'm here cooking.
Or Janina, Michelle, Sai and Kai.
Exactly, me here cooking, making steaks, burgers, stuff. One of these sinks, we have two sinks. One of these sinks is going to be filled up with ice.
For drinks.
With a bottle of wine stuck in it, maybe a bottle of champagne, a few beers. So people can just come and self-serve and take from the cooler thing. And it's just nice. It's nice to stand in here and be looking out into the living room, cooking here, looking at the people that you're entertaining. I really love the oven, having it at eye level, because that's one of the things that really bothers me when I have to keep going down and looking into the oven. This is amazing, and this oven here is so good. So I looked this up online. I was quite shocked at the new price of this, actually. Yeah. It's a Bosch system, and the kitchen itself is a Life kitchen, so it's like all German brand, which is really cool.
Can you open the fridge?
Yes, we can open the fridge.
Yeah, so we have a huge fridge, and then right below is the freezer.
It's really cool.
And something that I super duper like is the storage room here. In this kitchen we have way more storage room for our herbs and spices and dishes and like cutlery. Table sets, cutlery.
Please look at this drawer. I mean,
yeah,
that's amazing. Because when you're cooking and you're like, oh, I need my fish spatula. Boom, you got it. Not walking away. And something that this kitchen has that our current kitchen doesn't have, it has the kitchen triangle. So you literally have the 1, 2, 3 points in the kitchen, which is very important to be very efficient. Yeah. Only thing we are going to modify is these two cupboards. Instead of them being just shelves, we're going to have a pull-out cupboard, which is going to be, we still have to figure out if this company actually has a system that we can just have them install, or if it's something I'll have to modify myself.
Yeah, because otherwise we have to, if we reach for something, we'll have to reach like really to the back, which is not very
Nelly
practical.
doesn't have access to anything in here. Yeah, so that's the kitchen. Not a lot to be done. We really, really love it. Nelly, would you take over for the living room?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, and then starting from the kitchen, we have an open view to the living room. We love open concepts. We love a lot of light. That's why we also absolutely love the full front windows that we have here. We have the beautiful view of BGC. We have our neighbors here. Lots of green, lots of nature. And if I don't say anything, you can hear some birds. how nice is that? In the city. And it's not loud, it's very quiet actually. It's very relaxing. Today is Sunday, so I can definitely imagine myself sitting out here on the balcony. It's small, but we have a balcony. We can open up, we can also have an extended living room into the green and just have this amazing, amazing view of our neighborhood. So I really love it. It's a very suburban feel here, which I like. We used to live in a high-rise. Now we are on a lower level and more connected to nature, as you can see. And it is really difficult to show you on camera how big this living room actually is, because everything looks smaller now, but once we have furniture in, you will get a feel how big it actually is. We brought this lampshade that we have at home. You can see how big this one is. So we have super, super high ceilings, as you can see. I think these are 3 meters high.
Yeah, 3 meters.
Yeah, so it also opens the room up. And I definitely want to have a really, really nice light concept here. So it's cozy and we have a nice sound and
It is larger than our current living room.
Yeah, so we also wanted to put in some really nice carpets in here. I wanted to have a wooden floor, but I think we are going to just work with what we have first. And we're going to have some really nice furniture in here, which I'm super, super excited to show you in the upcoming vlog.
Can we give like a spoiler preview of what the furniture is going to be?
Should we put in my Pinterest wall inspo?
Yeah, but I think more importantly, we are not importing furniture. We're going local.
We're going
Filipino.
local. Yeah, we're going super, super local with the furniture, and everything is made very close to Manila here. So I'm so excited. We're going to source the material. We're going to look for the swatches for, the wood, for the materials for the couch, for the dining table. Everything is going to be chosen by us, which gives me such a pleasure. I love interior, I love decorating. So for me, it's going to be the most exciting part of furnishing this condo. So I'm so excited.
All right, let's move on to the next area. First, we have this little hallway. I mean, it's not that small. I'd say it's like 2.5 meters long. So here, we want to fill these walls up with art / photography that we made ourselves. Maybe some pictures from the Philippines, some pictures we're very proud of, some moments that we're very happy about, and just fill this room with that kind of stuff. The bathroom is going to be probably its whole own video. We'll show you the bathroom right now, the state. This is the common bathroom. It's nice. It's really nice, it's clean, but we want to have something that represents a little bit more the style of the rest of the apartment. So we've got a really cool idea for this, which we'll share with you at another point. It's a little bit to talk about in this video, because that is a big project by itself. And then we come to probably my favorite room in this apartment. This here is the fun room / the guest room. So here we're gonna have our little editing cave. We're gonna have a two-person desk. We're gonna have 2 screens here. So we can be at the screens at the same time. Now we're kind of swapping over. When we're in the old condo, it's like either I'm using it or Nelly's using it. But like I can sit and do Flight Simulator playing here while Nelly can, I don't know, look at Pinterest walls. And the layout, we're not sure of quite yet. We might move this cupboard into the maid's room, so we have more space in here.
Yeah, probably changing it to a lower cupboard.
Yeah, to a chest of drawers that are, because also there's like this funny little corner here that we really don't like, and it's bad use of space. What I'm thinking to get here is a Murphy bed. I'd really like to have a Murphy bed with a comfortable mattress, so when my parents come and visit us, we fold down the Murphy bed. They have a super comfortable mattress to sleep on, and also for other guests. I just want it to be very, very nice. I really like that you have this balcony that's connected to the bedroom balcony as well. So even if you have guests and they just want to come in the mornings and just stand out here and enjoy whatever, just the fresh air, they can. They have that option.
The fresh Manila air.
Yeah, so this room we're going to do a lot with lighting, because the floor area is quite small, but again we have the 3-meter high ceilings. So you need to kind of reduce the height by using lights in a smart way.
And we come to the bedroom area. So we have on the left side the actual sleeping area, which will be this. It is definitely smaller than our current condo, but you mustn't forget we have a walk-in closet on the right side. So something that I'm not 100% sure yet if it will work out is this wall, because it's kind of in the middle of the room, but I think we will figure something out for the future. But I really like that you can just come here, you're protected from the outside views, you can get changed here, you have a mirror, you have all your clothes here, so it's all good. Definitely need some additional light, because right now it's just only this one, so I think you can make it very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's actually some nice space also for photography or
Yes.
art.
Yeah. I can definitely see our adventure pictures. I can see that Chagall pig picture with the motorbike hanging somewhere. So we're definitely going to put up most of our art that we actually have on our Instagram or just took during the travel that nobody else saw before, but we think it would be really nice to have the Philippines represented from our point of view, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, and here we also have another balcony area. And for the balconies, as you can see, we have these huge, excuse me, ugly aircon thingies that I want to cover up mostly with plants. So I want my balcony area to be super, super green. And yeah, I just want to have some flowers, maybe my own little garden with herbs and veggies. Let's see. I'm definitely going to work something out that will cover this and make it super nice. Sitting outside as well. Okay, and something that I definitely want to change is the floor here in the bedroom and in the guest room, because although I like the wood look, I don't really like the white stripes in between, and it looks a little bit awkward. So I'm going to work out some ideas how to change it up. Maybe do a DIY project, maybe on my channel, on Nelly's Life. Let's see, we'll see about that. Or if you want to see it here on Making It Happen blog, let us know in the comments down below. But yeah, I definitely love the high ceilings here. It gives you just this feeling of having more space. And yeah, you have the balcony in every room, which is also very nice. And I'm very excited to get started with the whole decoration process.
Yeah, we will be getting rid of these gray, like, I don't know, in German we say Sockelleisten, but it's just paint. It's just paint. So all the walls are going to be white completely.
Yes. No color, no colored walls. Maybe we'll work with some wood in some parts, but we're not 100% sure yet.
Yeah.
But that's something to think further.
And then we have the master bathroom, which is right here. Again, this room, we're not going to do much, at least in the first stage. Primarily, we're going to do the common bathroom first, because that's what a lot of guests will be seeing. And honestly, this bathroom is really, really nice. The only thing I really want to change is I want to have a kind of like a rain shower head.
Yeah.
So it's just like small modifications, and otherwise, for the time being, this is going to be it. It's also much brighter than the other bathroom. I think it helps that this is kind of like a milk glass, because this creates soft lighting in here as well. It literally glows in here, and then we have 2 lamps in here, which is also good. Maybe we'll do something with lighting additionally, but that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
And decoration, of course. I think we have to put a lot of decoration here, maybe some wooden elements as well.
Yeah.
Maybe do a light strip over here.
It's really nice that we have his and hers sinks here in the bathroom now.
Because right now it's chaos.
Yeah, right now we're sharing it and it's chaos, and it's too much stuff in like a small space, but now we can have like, I can have my razor, my toothbrush, and then you can have a toothbrush, and it's like split up nicely. Nice, nice, nice. Also, I prefer that this is a light stone versus the black granite that we have now in Makati, because it's always messy from toothpaste. You see everything on black.
You see water drips instantly, so it's really nice that this is bright.
Yeah.
So it doesn't look messy all the time.
Yeah, but that's it. I really like this bath.
And how nice is this view? It's so nice with the skyline and the green. I really like it. And we received a lot of messages concerning the sunset view and just in general Makati view, that we are going to, you know, miss out on that. But I think we had an amazing view for the past 2 years.
Oh, yeah.
And we are up for a little bit of a change. Plus, we haven't showed you properly the amenities here. So I think we'll dedicate a full video for just the amenities itself.
But we
the
did
rooftop.
see, we do have a beautiful sunset
Yes.
right here every day. And then, yes.
It's different. It's a different kind of sunset, but we also said we're going to spend more time outside than
yeah.
inside. And that's thanks to the amenities that we have here in this building.
Yeah. Alright guys, that was it. That was our empty condo tour. As I said, right now this is the last time that you'll be seeing it in this state. Step 1 is going to be painting or covering things up, then painting. So yeah, now I'd say over the next 2 weeks this place is visually going to change completely. It's going to be mind-blowing, and I'm very excited to see it. Let us know what you think of our new condo. If you enjoyed this empty condo tour, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new around here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome.
Be positive.
And make it happen.
Bye-bye.
Bye.